Welcome everybody to Cake Bones, where we make delicious edible art using yummy yummy cake. Today, in honor of Halloween, the one holiday with absolute creative license, we'll be making a spooky skull and spellbooks cake, much like maybe you'd find in the lab of a mad scientist. But before we get started, you're probably wondering what's with the weird name. So what does Cake Bones mean? First, we don't make cakes out of bones because, remember how I told you we made yummy cakes? So, bones actually refers to the structure of the cake. Much like you might say a great building has good bones, well, so too a cake. Plus, it's our whimsical expression for all the multitude of scraps left over when making a cake. So, what do you say we get started and have a little fun? We're getting there. But the one thing you need to remember when you're sculpting is proportions. Everything's proportion. Looking at our guy right now, doesn't so much look like our Mr. Bones as it looks like maybe the missing link. So, need a little more on top here. All right, so what have we got now? We've got a resemblance to Mr. Bones. Yeah, it's lumpy. It's not perfect. But that's going to be covered up as you cover up the skull itself. What we're looking for right now is proportions, and proportionally pretty similar. So here we are once again with our mostly finished skull, roughly shaped anyway. And because it's made out of Rice Krispies, and Rice Krispies, even though they look pretty firm, will shift over time and kind of puddle towards the bottom. We like to candy coat our Rice Krispie treats with candy coating. And now we're going to cover the cake in fondant. Okay, so our skull is all sculpted now for the most part. Of course, we're going to need to color him in and use some fine tools just to get some details, but for now, we're done with him. So we start on the cake. So we take a chilled cake, we slice it. I've got a chocolate cake with a little bit of raspberry in there just for the, I don't know, looks a little spooky. For our simple syrup, we're going to be using raspberry syrup. Adds a little moisture to the cake. Giving a crumb coating of a chocolate cream cheese frosting. So what do you think? I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you did like this video, please comment below. And if you'd like to see more Cake Bones videos in the future, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Again, thank you so much for watching, and happy Halloween!